Welcome back to Autoscope. Lamborghini Motorhome 2026. External, aerodynamic, aggressive, and intimidating. Appearance, and like the typical boxy shape, the motorhome has a very low, sleek, and futuristic appearance. Lighting. The muscular front fascia perfectly incorporates ultra-thin LED headlights with Lamborghini's iconic Y-shaped design. Doors. A discrete electric sliding door that adds a dramatic touch when opened, or perhaps a gullwing door system. At the push of a button, large privacy windows can be made opaque or transparent. Interior. Superior luxuriance and cutting-edge technology. Seats. Ergonomic, electrically adjustable sports seats with heating, cooling, and massaging features are made for long, comfortable trips. Materials. Floors can be composed of carbon fiber composite and marble, or polished exotic woods. Lighting and LED ambient lighting system with programmable color and intensity settings allows for the creation of various moods. Beautiful views of the outside are provided by large panoramic windows. Kitchen features include a built-in espresso coffee machine, a sub-zero refrigerator, a convection oven microwave, and an induction cooktop. King-size bed. A king-size bed with an orthopedic mattress of superior quality. Features include a built-in wardrobe with internal lighting, a custom lighting system, a hidden flat-screen TV, and an intelligent storage system. Performance. Engine. A high-performance hybrid powertrain rather than a conventional Lamborghini V12 or V10. Imagine a strong electric motor, a high-capacity battery pack, and a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that has been rigorously tuned. Power. An incredible amount of power, possibly more than 1,000 horsepower, to guarantee lightning-fast acceleration. Drivetrain. Torque vectoring combined with advanced all-wheel drive AWD provides exceptional handling and traction, even on difficult roads. Braking. This large motorhome can be safely stopped at high speeds because to its high performance. Carbon ceramic brakes.